Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and you are about to watch a clip from a recent live stream. Now, I live stream just about weekly and usually Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You could always catch those streams live for free. Make sure if you want to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell if you want to get notified, but I always try to schedule it a few days in advance so you'll see it. Now, if you can't catch the full live stream, while they do go away after the stream is done, you could become a member of the Build Something Club. That's my membership. And members have access to all previous live streams, the entire archive, and a lot more, like ad-free extended episodes of my podcast, access to a community, automations I'm building, and lots of other great stuff. So if you like this clip, be sure to subscribe to this channel, sign up for the Build Something Club, and get out there and build something. Thanks. All right, so now I'm going to install the latest version of Gutenberg on casabona.org so that I can take advantage of the post template block. And I'm doing this because I am frustrated with the way that most page builders and other blocks lay out a list of posts. This is a production site, but I'm fairly confident that nothing will blow up. And let me show you what I'm aiming to change here. So I recently changed my homepage to highlight the content I'm creating, and you could see that YouTube videos are in red and how I built it content is in blue, and eventually the content from Podcast Liftoff will be in purple. But I also want like the category displayed here, and I don't think that's too much to ask, but it apparently is. So let's check this out. So I'll keep this for the time being. And then I'll search for the post template. Is it still called the query block? Query loop? Post list. Query loop. And there are some patterns for this. Start blank though. Title, date, and excerpt. Maybe image too. Okay, so I don't really think I like this. Yeah, I don't really want the image. I really shouldn't need to create columns for this either, because that's like insane. But that's okay. As long as it gets me closer to what I want. I'll hide this block too. This must be gosh, this is cool. I don't know what that's part of, but that's cool. Okay, so let's see how this looks. I guess. There we go. What? That's frustrating. What happened here? Post title. Normal. No, not normal. Like 30? Okay. Oh. Well, that's more. What do we want? Reset. Default. I don't actually understand what's happening. Oh, what? Whatever. Inherit query from template. Post. Newest to oldest. Sticky posts. Exclude. Filter categories. Authors. Section. Okay, let's see how this looks. And then we'll call it a day. Doo-doo. Okay, this is not quite what I want. Yeah, not quite what I want here. And I could play around with it more, but like this just looks so much nicer. Yeah. Maybe this will be my next block pattern. But for now, call it a day.